So my client called me and said, Debbie, I want to make my hair. She gave me a date. I said, okay, ma, no problem. One thing about this my client is that she sweats a lot, and it's because she does exercise. She has dance classes that she trains people and all that. So you can imagine how often she's going to be sweating. So she sweats a lot, and I was like, ever since I started watching Hair by Clippers and Inspiration, I had few of them in mind because there's one particular client too. This other client is older, and her own issue is that she has menopause stuff disturbing her, and whenever she makes hair and it touches her back or her skin, she gets reaction. And that is why this hair thing, you really need to know your body, know what works for you, and do what works for you and suits you well. So when she told me, I had this picture of this hairstyle in mind because I if you watched my previous video where I did it with the normal kinky, I told you guys I did not really like the result, that we were supposed to use spring twist. But guess what, guys? This time around, spring twist was not even available. So we had to go for passion twist. Passion twist is close to spring twist, and Darling did their passion twist in a way that it looks like spring twist, so you can actually use it as spring twist where spring twist is not available. So we didn't get spring twist, and the person that even sold the spring twist as spring twist to her really annoyed me because she gave her an outrageous price, plus the pack was not complete. She was just like leave her, blah blah blah. So people like that is cheating, and people like that would definitely meet who is going to teach them a lesson. I'm just trying to be myself in this voiceover. So I thought that I was going to send her, the day she called me, I thought I was going to send her an hair inspiration. I did not send it on time. Then boom, she sent me the video. I was like, what? See how God works. So this was the hairstyle I had in mind for you to make, and she sent me the style herself. I just thought, I said, there is no style I'm sending to you again. No, this is what we're going to make because this is what suits you because of the sweat, and so you can actually enjoy this hairstyle wherever you're traveling to and all that. And that was how we started. Like I told you guys that for now I'm still the one handling my camera, handling my tripod and everything. This one is more stressful than normal sitting and facing the camera and talking. So you agree with me that when it comes to this, it's not easy. So you actually need someone. But for now, so I set up the camera before she came, not knowing that I had forgotten the actual center I used for the previous video. My brothers and sisters, that was how I started all over again. Then we went into it. From the inspiration we got, Hair by Clippers used the wool, so I decided to use the wool too. I used the baby wool. Some persons call it bobby wool, some people call it yarn. So that was what I used to hold the stitches because they're quite big, and I wouldn't want to weave them. That was what I did in the first one I tried. I weaved it, and even the matting for the crochet, I weaved it too, which I wasn't supposed to weave. I was supposed to mat it. So this time around, I did not weave the stitches. I used the wool, and I remember I've showed you guys in one shot before that this is another style you can use in holding your stitches if you're not fixing the stitch nail separately like other people do. So here we're already done with the back design, and we're left with the center, which is matting. So I matted the center just into 4 places. Yes, 1 2 3 4. I matted into 4 places, and this was how we were able to achieve this style. I even tried doing scissors there, but there are different types of natural hair, and sometimes you make some natural hair, people will love it, you will love it as a stylist, and sometimes you will struggle to make some. You would even try that, let it just come out fine. That would be your prayer, and this kind of man has really been a blessing to me. So we just went ahead, we did our thing, I did the matting, then we crocheted. So at this point, if you're watching this video and you're yet to click on the subscribe button, you're very wrong, very wrong. Please By doing this, by clicking that subscribe button, you're encouraging me. By sharing this video, by liking, by dropping a comment, you're also encouraging me. So I was done doing the matting there, then I started fixing the passion twist. So she was so kind to be giving me, because normally I don't like stressing my clients. I'd rather call someone to help me, or I'll share it myself, since I have not gotten the braider's board that I can use to section my extension. It's not easily accessible here. You have to get a carpenter or somebody to construct it for you, and I don't have anyone close because this area is kind of very quiet. You hardly see people like that around here, unlike my former area. So just went ahead and did a crochet of the whole thing, and she was so happy. Like, we got the desired result. She was very happy. I was glad at least I used something else, and I could see that it wasn't my fault for the first one, even though it was fine. That first one was fine, and the person I made it for was able to rock it different ways. But you know, as a stylist, if you're not satisfied with something, you're just not satisfied with it. So this was how we were able to achieve this hairstyle. Will you be trying this hairstyle? Let me know in the comment section. What do you think about the hair? Let me know in the comment section. And what hairstyle do you think I should bring to you all next? Let me also know in the comment section. This time around, trust God and trust His grace that He will give me the grace to bring that hairstyle available to you guys. But remember, I do not also do all hairstyles. So it's going to be like we had requested for an hairstyle He did not give us. Not all tailors sew wedding gown. So therefore, not all hairstylists make micro twists or do whole hairstyles. Like, I do micro twists anyways. So guys, click on that subscribe button if you are yet to. Don't forget to put on the notification bell. Here I'm already putting the mousse. After the mousse, I added the oil sheen spray, and that was all. That was basically it. The maintenance of this hair is not hard. When you're going out, just spray some water, little water, pour your oil, adding the oil sheen here, and that's basically it. Guys, I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye. Comes alive. Every twist, every braid brings beauty to life. From deep to micro, her passion shines so bright. In every space she touches, there's love in every